About this item: practical auxiliary cord, UGREEN 3.5mm male-to-male cable streams hi-fi stereo audio directly from the auxiliary output, line out, devices to auxiliary input, line in, devices without audio converters. The 3.5mm audio cable simplifies connection and enables you to enjoy music everywhere. It is perfect for headphones of broken audio cables, and car radio without Bluetooth. Astonishing sound quality, with 24K gold-plated corrosion resistance connectors and double shielding. Shielded 3.5mm audio cable provides optimal signal transmission and delivers clear and crisp audio and entails no loss, noise-free, high-fidelity audio experience. Upgraded durability. Nylon braided jacket passes 10,000 plus bending tests and is solid enough to withstand any twist, tug, and tangle. Plus, 3.5mm male-to-male auxiliary cable adopts 24K gold-plated plugs and sturdy brass shells to resist oxidation and corrosion. High-quality materials not only improve the durability but greatly enhance its sound quality. Flexible and portable, features wear-resistant and tangle-free nylon braid jacket to make it easy to roll up for tidy storage. Reinforced brass shells protect the cord against bending, cracking when rolled up. UGREEN 3.5mm